In this video, I'm going to show you how to render in CapCut PC. So basically it's pretty easy, just follow the steps I do. As you can see, I already created a new project, edit some videos, and what if I want to render it to make the video from these parts? So how can we do this? Basically it's pretty easy. All you need is just to click on export in the right top corner, but don't stop watching because we have some options we can change to make our video better. So basically we can try to add the title of our video, so let it be like video 1, and after that we can also choose the folder we want to export to. So this is how the Windows looks like in macOS. You can look it differently in Windows. So after that we can just choose it, and here if we'll click on video exporting right up here and open this menu by clicking on this toggle button, we'll open our settings of our project, of our exporting video. So here we can choose the resolution, the bitrate, the codec, the format, the frame rate. I suggest you to choose them because this is the way how you can increase the quality of your video. So basically choose the resolution like this one on this one, sometimes it's 2K. Bitrate is recommended, and then just format is MP4. I suggest you to use this format, and the frame rate you can choose any frame rate you want, but it should be correlated with the format of your videos in your project. So this is the way how you can render your video. After that, just click on export and everything will be done. I hope guys this video was useful for you. If it is, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and watch my other tutorials about this program. Goodbye.